students, how are you doing? I hope everyone is doing fine. So today's topic is cinema and games. Read the clues and use the help box to name the films. Bhag Milkha Bhag is the movie that tells the inspirational journey of sprinter Milkha Singh. Second, the biopic Mary Kom starring Priyanka Chopra is based on the life of India's Olympic medal winning boxer. Number 3, this film is based on the lives of the Fogart sisters Geeta and Babita Dangal. Number 4, Sylvester Stallone played a boxer in this 1976 film. This is Rocky. Number 5, in this film, Akshay Kumar as Tapan Das assembles the first hockey team of independent India that took part in the Olympics, gold. Number 6, this film is about the United States men's ice hockey team that won the gold medal in the 1980 Winter Olympics. This is Miracle. Number 7, this 1980 film directed by Martin Scorsese is inspired by the life of boxer Jake LaMotta. This is Raging Bull. Number 8, in this film, Shah Rukh Khan played the role of a hockey coach named Kabir Khan, Chak De India. Number 9, Aamir Khan as Sanju won the most prestigious college event, the marathon cycle race in this 1992 film, and this movie is Jo Jeeta Wahi Sikandar. And number 10, in this film, Ali, Will Smith portrays the legendary boxer Muhammad Ali. With that, students, this chapter is also finished. We read about different kinds of cinema and associated facts about that. Certain were fictional, certain were non-fictional, but at the end of them, they either entertained us or they gave us certain kinds of moral. Please go through the entire chapter once again properly and revise it properly.